Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace your BMW X1 battery step by step. Before you begin, it is crucial to gather all necessary tools, such as a 10mm wrench, a socket set, and a battery terminal cleaner. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged. For your safety, remember to wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure battery replacement. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the old battery. First, locate your BMW X1's battery. It is often situated in the trunk or sometimes under the hood. Using your 10mm wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. This is a critical safety step. Next, disconnect the positive terminal. After both terminals are free, carefully remove any battery hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in place. Always handle the terminals with care. With the old battery removed, it is time to install the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the battery tray and the new battery terminals with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. Next, connect the positive terminal first, ensuring it is tight and secure. Finally, connect the negative terminal, making sure it is also firmly attached to prevent any loose connections. For the final steps, double-check that all connections are tight and the new battery is stable in its tray. Once everything is secure, start your BMW X1 to confirm proper electrical operation. After a battery replacement, you might need to reinitialize certain electronic systems, such as your power windows, sunroof, or radio presets. Consult your owner's manual for specific reinitialization procedures. Confirm all vehicle functions are working correctly before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.